Hello friends, my name is Prinza and I am your host for the today video. Today we invited Mr. Sanjay Kumar from Excellence and he will share the experience and expertise with you how data analytics, machine learning and artificial intelligence will help you to grow your business after COVID-19 challenges. If this video helped you, then please like this video and share with your friends. Okay sir, so my first question to you is how data analytics are being applied to COVID-19 recovery strategy?
Okay. Yeah, Prince, thanks to invite me again, and I'll be very happy to share my perspective about the uses of analytics and particularly in the context of COVID. So just to give you a 1 minute idea about to you and the audience. So analytics is basically about mostly data analytics. That's the context that we talk about. And it is important for any aspect of life or business where we use data, either as part of the IT or otherwise. And in the context of COVID also, people have tried to get the data from the countries and the cities where it is happening. And as you know, in television or any other news or YouTube or social channels, we talk in terms of the data only, right? All we talk about, these are the active number of cases, these are people who have survived the COVID, these are the people who unfortunately had to lose their life and so on. So we talk in terms of data whether we realize or not. So analytics is one step ahead of that. What it does, it reads that data and it keeps the history part of it, and then based on the historical data, it applies certain principles, and in mathematical terms we call it algorithm. And using that algorithm, it tries to get a pattern out of it. Now you can say, what is the uses of the pattern? What is the uses of this analytics? So the uses of this analytics is to understand in terms of the trends. And when you know the trend, then it helps you to how to be cautious about it. Just to give you an example, even the doctors who talk about what are the things happening and what are the most cases, somewhere they're using all of this data and some kind of either their own human analytics or some model. Model is more like, you use these patterns to use it, the historical data, to tell more about what might happen in future, more like a predictive kind of thing. So they also use, to kind of help you know about where you can expect COVID to come more stronger, what has been the pattern and all of that. So even in this pattern, you might have seen a lot of new websites have come up, which shows a lot of the COVID related data, and it also shows you about certain analytics aspect of it, the charts, the line charts, the predictive part of it. So many of the countries also build a model out of it, and then, for example, even within our company, which is Excellence, based on what was happening in the Italy and USA, that time, if you remember, in early March, India was still, kind of COVID was knocking the doors for us. We knew it's coming, and but we used the data of USA and the Italy to create a model out of that, and then we tried to project for India. And I'm very happy to say that the analytics folks in my company, they had created this model which had accuracy of more than 90%. So in a way, it's another thing what we could do about it, but at least when this kind of difficult time is coming, at least your system, your family is more prepared about it, because otherwise it's more of, when you talk in terms of data, you're more sure about the credibility of what you're hearing from the news and otherwise. Otherwise, there is so much of information nowadays that it's very difficult to believe which data is correct, which data is not correct. But when you hear some decision has been made, some trends are being told to you based on what has happened in the past, somehow you tend to believe.
So friends, this is the end of the video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel so you will get information time to time. So thanks for watching once again. Thank you. Bye bye.